In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dolly zoom effect using Capcut. This engaging technique provides your footage with a dramatic flair, making your subjects appear to either move closer or further from the background without them actually moving. Let's dive right in and show you exactly how to master this captivating effect, step by step. First things first, you'll want to open Capcut on your device. Once that's open, tap on New Project. This is where you will start the process by adding your clip. Choose the footage where you want to apply the dolly zoom effect and add it to your timeline. Next, tap on the clip that you've just added. At this stage, you'll need to add a keyframe, so tap the keyframe icon, which looks like a little diamond right at the start of your clip. Keyframes are essential for creating dynamic movements as they mark specific points where an effect begins and ends. Now slightly zoom in on your clip. You can do this by pinching on the screen with two fingers to zoom in directly. Alternatively, you could use the edit menu, just navigate to the zoom tool and adjust it to subtly zoom into your subject. This initial zoom will anchor your clip's starting position. After you've set your initial keyframe and zoom, you'll want to move forward a few frames in your timeline. This sets up the transition for your dolly zoom effect. Once you've found the right spot, add another keyframe by hitting the diamond icon again, marking the next movement point for your footage. Now comes the contrast to your first move. At this new keyframe, you will adjust the zoom in the opposite direction to your subject's motion. If you zoomed in slightly for the first keyframe, this time you'll zoom out a bit for the second keyframe. This could be done by either spreading your fingers outward on the screen or using the zoom tool in the edit menu to refine. This manipulation of zoom levels is what creates the classic dolly zoom effect. The background will appear to zoom one way while your subject moves in the opposite direction. This visual pull creates a striking and eerie ambience often utilized in film to convey disorientation or an intense focus on the subject matter. There you have it, your dolly zoom effect is complete. Through the strategic placement of keyframes and careful editing, you've added a significant visual impact to your clip. Feel free to play around with the zoom levels and speed until you find the look that best suits your project. Thanks for watching and enjoy experimenting with your own creative edits on Capcut.